Hey there, my fellow introverts. It's no secret that many of us don't like peopling, right? But of course, this is going to affect how we feel about networking. Sometimes we avoid it completely, myself included, which seems a bit crazy being in the workplace and career strategy space, but I can relate. However, networking is essential for your brand strategy and the overall health and growth of your career. There's no way around it, but there is a better way through. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything having to do with a career or a workplace on purpose. Although I know how important it is to make contacts in my industry and in general, I really love people, but I love people on my terms, if I could be honest. I'm actually pretty shy, although nobody believes me. So being in environments where I have to talk to people that I don't know can be uncomfortable. Can you relate? All is not lost, my introverted friend. There's a way that we can make networking work for us where it doesn't feel like we're being dragged out of our comfort zone. One really great hack is to find networking events that have engagement prompts already. That way, you're not thrown into a pool of people you don't know, trying to figure out when to enter a conversation, when to exit a conversation, when to leave in general. One that I've conducted before or that I've seen done in networking events that naturally stimulate conversation and kind of bring down the awkwardness in the room is the FORM method. And FORM is an acronym for family, occupation, recreation, and mission. So it gives a natural dialogue of how to talk about some of the most important things in our lives. So ultimately, find something that have prompts so you're not kind of standing in the middle trying to figure it out. One of the next hacks that works for us is bringing an extroverted friend. Sometimes I think we underestimate the power of partnering with extroverts. So whether it's an event that you're going to and you want to bring them along, or they have all these social circles and you just start to tag along to things that they're doing, it's a great opportunity for you to be engrafted into conversations without you having to start from scratch. But there's a natural synergy that happens where you'll meet people organically because they meet people organically. It's nothing for them to go in a place that they don't know anyone and then make friends with everyone. So that way you can start to be a part of those conversations. They know them or have built this great rapport, and then you can start sliding your foot in. You can start asking questions because you've got this great partner with you. So think about the extroverts who you hang out with, who have great contacts, who build great rapport, have great working relationships, and start bringing them to your events, or you start tagging along with theirs. And before you know it, you'll have a list full of new contacts. And the third hack that I have for you today is to just go ahead and host your own networking events or party. That way you can start with the people you know. You can create an atmosphere that you're naturally comfortable with, whether it's a panel or whether it's some kind of low-key party or whatever environment in which talking to people is the most comfortable for you. Host it yourself and then tag on that extroverted friend that you have to bring folks in. But that way you're directing the situation, you're directing the conversation, so it's not so out of your comfort zone that you freeze, right, and don't know what to do. But this is setting things on your own terms. So maybe it's a book club or a discussion about key issues in the community, key issues within your industry. Pick the topic, the pain point that you want to talk about. Reach out to people you already know who will add to the discussion, and that will bring other people. So another great way to expand your network and to meet folks without it being so scary and uncomfortable, and it's on your terms. So as you know, introverts got limits for how much time and energy we want to spend with people. So this is one of the best ways that you can go about controlling it, and it works for you but also works for your brand. So which one of these hacks will be the easiest for you to implement within the next 30 to 60 days? Definitely let me know in the comments. Or if you have questions about any of them, feel free to reach out to me. There's also additional details on my blog where I just posted a blog about networking for your personal brand strategy. You can check that out at www.upwardlypaypath.com/blog. For more information about what I do and to keep up with me, you can check all my socials in the description or at Upwardly Pay Path on all of the different platforms. And if you have deeper questions about obtaining your career or workplace on purpose, email me at info@upwardlypaypath.com. I'll check you out in the next video.